Good morning, students. Students, in this module, we will learn about the light. We will see how light enables us to see. We cannot see in the dark. In other words, it is light that enables us to see the things. When light falls on an object, then it is reflected by the object or bounces off by the object. When this reflected light enters our eyes, we can see the object. Means the objects that reflect light can only be seen by us. When light falls on small particles in air, it gets churned in different directions. It sometimes helps us to see the path of light. We might have seen streams of light passing through gaps in trees or through the gap in the curtains of a room. The light in these streams falls on dust particles in air, gets churned, and enters our eye. And this helps us to see the streams of light. We can see certain things by their own light. Anything which emits light, such as torch, candle, sun, or bulb, they are called luminous objects. Means luminous objects are the objects that emit their own light. Now, non-luminous objects. Non-luminous objects are the objects they don't have their own light. We can see them just because they reflect the light. For example, book, moon, trees, rivers, birds, flowers, and people. All they are the examples of non-luminous objects. Let us learn about the rays and beams. A ray is a narrow stream of light. It represents the path taken by the light. It is represented by a straight line with an arrowhead. Next, beam. Beam is a broad stream of light consisting a large number of rays. Now, let us understand the difference between the ray of light and the beam of light. See, the direction or the path along which light energy travels in a medium, it is called a ray of light, whereas the group of light rays is called a beam of light. Beam of light may be parallel, convergent, or divergent. Let's see in the figure. In this figure, different beams of light are shown. Firstly, the rays from a distant light source are parallel to each other. They constitute a parallel beam. But in convergent beam, the rays proceed towards a single point. Whereas in divergent beam, the rays proceed away from a point. So all these are the different types of beams of light. Now that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel.